solar system's genesis unfolds 4.6 billion years ago within a massive molecular cloud. Gravity initiates the collapse of this cloud, leading to the formation of a spinning disk-shaped structure known as a solar nebula. At its center, a protostar emerges, destined to become our Sun. Concurrently, planetesimals, ranging from tiny particles to kilometer-sized bodies, form within the nebula. Collisions and mergers among these planetesimals shape their evolution, giving rise to the rocky cores of terrestrial planets closer to the Sun and the gas giants farther out. Temperature variations in the nebula dictate the materials that can solidify at different distances, setting the stage for the diverse compositions of inner and outer planets. A pivotal event in this cosmic narrative is the Moon's formation. A colossal impact between Earth and a Mars-sized body ejects debris into space, coalescing to form our Moon. As the solar system matures, the solar wind emanating from the Sun clears away residual gas and dust, sculpting the final characteristics of planets. Comets and asteroids, remnants from the solar system's birth, continue to orbit the Sun, occasionally venturing into the inner solar. Comets and asteroids, remnants from the solar system's birth, continue to orbit the Sun, occasionally venturing into the inner solar system. These celestial wanderers carry the early building blocks of planets and contribute to ongoing geological and atmospheric processes. The solar system's origin is a dynamic tapestry of gravitational forces, collisions, and cosmic interactions. Each celestial body within it bears the imprint of this intricate dance, showcasing the enduring impact of its formative years on the diverse and interconnected system observed today.